Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Bybit to Trust Wallet step by step. So, let's get started. So first off, you just have to open your Bybit wallet as you can see in my screen, and you should go to your My Wallet or My Assets. Now, once you are done in here, you should go to Withdraw, and as you can see, just choose the crypto of your choice, and this is where you will go to your Trust Wallet to get the address. And as you can see in here, the address, you should get the address to your Trust Wallet. So we just have to open Trust Wallet and make sure that you have a Trust Wallet application. So, and make sure that you also have an account. And as you can see in here, this is a Trust Wallet, and you should just choose the crypto of your choice. But I've picked Ethereum right there, so I just have to pick Ethereum. And I've blurred my information, but you just have to copy that address as you can see in the screen. Just copy that and just go back to your Bybit wallet. Now once you are in here, you should just copy the address in your Bybit wallet from your Trust Wallet. As you can see, I'll just paste it, choose the network of your choice, and choose the amount of your choice, and just click withdraw, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope my video is helpful, and see you in the next one.